Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get and how to use Street View in Google Maps on your computer or PC. Once on Google Maps, and by the way, there are two ways to go on Google Maps. You can either type it in the search bar or you can tap on the dots right beside your profile pic in the top right hand corner. And from here, you could select Maps. Once you have done that, you will enter the location on which you would like to see the street view for. Then in the bottom right hand corner, you will see a yellow icon right below the negative sign. You are going to tap on the yellow icon, and from here you can drag it to any location you would like to see. So let's say, for example, right here. And then you can rest it at the location that you like the street view for. And you can see it right here. What's also very important to pay attention to is in the top left hand corner, right below the location. As you can see, this is Washington District of Columbia, and you can see this is the street view for 2017. You can tap on street view right here, and you can see that we'll be able to get up to 2021 by tapping on 2021. Then tap on the current pic, and you can get an updated view, as you can see here. So the beauty about Google Maps is you'll be able to travel back in time if you like by tapping on 2017, so you can see how a location looked in the past, and then you can tap on 2021 or 2022 to get a better version of how it looks right now. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.